What's up, YouTube and DorkiDori fans? This is Lennon Midnight. I wanted to do a small update before the video starts. As some of you are aware, I shut down ordering on June 16th on my website due to the overwhelming amount of orders that I had owed to me through my fiberglass manufacturer. Since then, things have actually gone very well. Things are getting cleared up very quickly. I am down to, I believe, 19 orders owed, and those should be hitting the mail within the next 2 weeks. I've had some messages from you guys during the week asking about your orders going out, and if your orders haven't gone out, they are part of those 19 orders. I updated the front of the website on July 10th to reflect basically this video update, just explaining everything that was going on. I'm hoping to reopen ordering within the next 2 weeks. Moving on to the next topic. After this video, new project videos are going to be spaced out a bit. I am currently trying just to finish everything that I have on my plate for new parts to get them all on the site when it reopens. There's a few hiccups I've had along the way that have to be taken care of. Nothing major. In recent weeks, I bought myself a little adjustable tripod, so I don't have to set my phone on various objects in the parking lot anymore to get shots for the videos. So the angles of the videos and kind of the quality of the videos will actually go up. The video that you're about to watch, I actually got to use my tripod for, so there's a lot of static shots that are actually like really nice looking, and I'm glad I spent $25 on eBay to pick this thing up. It's super handy, and I'm really glad I bought it. And now to the whole point of this video that I'm making, the S13 V5 Skirts. I just wrapped them up this weekend. There's 2 spots, one on each skirt that I have to fix. No big deal. They'll be actually done next weekend, and finishing lines on the molds will be traced thereafter. And now that the V5 skirts are done, I can focus on starting new S13 projects again. I'm being kind of careful just due to the economy and what's going on in the world. But I've got 3 front bumpers in planning that I want to release, and I have 1, 2, 3 sets of new side skirts I want to get done, and 1, 2, 3 sets of new balances. 2 sets of the balances, 2 sets of the skirts will be part of complete body kits, and I'm trying to secure the front bumper for one of them right now. It was supposed to be here weeks ago. I don't know what happened to it, but yeah, anyway. I'm going to close this out. I was trying to keep this short, but unfortunately I tend to ramble. Yeah, so stick around for the version 5 skirts video. Oh, one thing about this video, I had done a lot of the fitment work on the passenger side prior to this video, about 2 weeks before. When I was doing it, I didn't film anything for it, so what you're going to see is basically the passenger side was already done, and it was just the driver's side that needed doing, and I'd taken care of some of it last weekend at my shop prior to filming this, so this is actually going to be a very quick video because there's not a lot of footage of me working on the skirts. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll talk to you guys soon, and please don't hit any walls. What's up, YouTube and DorkiDori fans? It's Saturday. I'm out at my fiberglass shop as per usual. I'm trying to finish up the S13 V5 side skirts. I've been out here for a while. It's really hot. It's like 113 degrees today, but I'm hoping to get them wrapped up and get them up on the site for when it relaunches.